Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by identifying the remote type your phone supports. Most phones use IR blasters or Wi-Fi to control TVs up to 3 meters away. Confirm your phone has an IR blaster or supports the TV Maker app before proceeding. Install the official app from your store and keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled for pairing. Ensure the TV is on and connected to the same network within 3 meters for Wi-Fi control. Charge the phone above 20% before setup to avoid interruptions. Gather 2 AAA or AA batteries if you plan to use a standalone mobile dongle. Open the TV Maker app and choose Add Device to begin pairing. Select your TV model from the list and start the discovery process within 30 seconds. For Bluetooth pairing, press the TV pairing button and confirm on your phone within 30 seconds to complete pairing. For Wi-Fi, ensure the phone and TV share the same network and accept the pairing prompt on the TV. For IR control, point the phone at the TV sensor within 3 meters during the code test. Save the device and give it a recognizable name for quick access later. Use the app's full keypad, directional pad, and voice mic to control the TV. Create macros that run multi-step actions like input HDMI 1, then open Netflix with one tap. Use the volume rocker or mute button for quick audio control during playback. If controls fail, restart the app, reboot the TV, and repair if needed after 5 minutes. Replace phone or dongle batteries, and ensure the app is updated every 30 days for best performance. Position the phone within 3 meters of the TV for IR control, and remove obstacles for clear signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.